to kill two birds with one stone. To kill two birds with one stone. I was thinking yesterday about my first language, which is Arabic. What sayings do we have, or what quotes do we have in Arabic that if you translate it like literally from Arabic to English, literally, it's going to give you the same meaning? We know that translating from one language to the other, it usually sometimes come out funky, it comes out weird, so translating literally sometimes doesn't work. But in this case, to kill two birds with one stone, if you translate it to Arabic, it gives you exactly the same meaning.